Hey everybody, Brett Gurney here, brettgurney.com. Uh, Today this is kind of the beginning of my how-to series. I've been talking a little bit about this for a while now, something that I plan to be working on moving forward, putting together a how-to series for those who are looking to do some internet marketing, network marketing, and need some tutorials, some training, some lessons, if you will, of how to do some certain tasks. In fact, I've got a whole pile of um, videos and topics now that I can draw from to do this with. But I'm going to kind of, and it's going to be at random a little bit because it's going to apply to some of the things that I'm working on. And when I'm coming across something and it's something that I'm doing and I'm thinking, hey, there might be some others out there that would like to be able to follow along or know how to do this as well that might not, and then I'll choose that one. So right now, this is going to be kind of the beginning of a Facebook advertising how-to series of tutorials. I know that a lot of you are already using Facebook advertising. It is a great resource. I've had some good returns from it, and I know also that a lot of you are not using Facebook advertising, but that you would be if you were a little bit more familiar with it, and if you knew how. There's several options for the Facebook advertising, and two of those are promote your post and to get likes to a page. Of course, likes to a page and promote a post. That is going to be coming from a business page. Okay, and I know that a lot of you also have a business page already, and I've seen some of them, and there's a lot of really great looking pages out there, but some of you don't, and some of you would like to have a business page, again, if you knew how. And really none of this stuff is difficult. Okay, once you know how, it's all pretty simple. So I'm just going to walk some of you through it. And I'm going to start the Facebook advertising series with creating a page. For those of you that don't have a page, this will help you get started. Okay, so let's just get right to it. As you can see, we're looking at my timeline, and there's many different paths to get to the area that you want to be, which is to create a page. But I'm simply going to go up here to this little down arrow, and I'm going to click on that. And you will see that these are the pages that I have. But right down here, you will also see create a page. So I'm going to click on that right there. And now this is where you begin to create a page right there. See it? Create a page. That's where you want to be. These are the categories that you're going to put your page into. Most of us will probably choose this one. I know that a lot of us, might have a product. We might be doing it with an MLM company or network marketing company like I am. And by the way, the page that I'm going to create here, and that's what got me started on this, is because it was time for me to create a page for one of my businesses, which is Carrot Bars International, which is a company that has a gold bullion product. And so I thought, well, since I'm going to create a page anyway, I might as well just show others how to do it if they don't know how. So, and you can tell that I'm looking up at this. But anyways, if somebody has a local business, there's a few reasons why they would want to choose this. Like, let's say that you have a brick and mortar, a conventional business, coffee shop, or something like that. And I did take some notes here about this that I'm just going to look at real quick to refresh my memory. Need my glasses to read. Okay, yeah, when you have a page in this category, you can have people come and check in to your page on a regular basis. Okay, your regular customers can come and check in and see what you got going on, what's on special. And a great incentive to get people to come to your page is to offer something special. Like I said, if you have a coffee shop, you might want to tell people, hey, if you check into my page on Tuesday between the hours of or whatever, you're going to get a free coffee, that kind of a thing. So there's some advantages to that. But if those of us who don't have a local business, these are self-explanatory, obviously. Here, artist, band, or public figure, entertainment, cause or community, maybe if you have a nonprofit or something like that. You might want to do some research on this one before you choose it, because I have heard that there's, I don't know, something about Facebook actually having control of that more than you. Company, organization, or institution, yeah, that might apply to some people, but most of us will go here for brand or product, and that's where I'm going to go. So we're just going to click on that and select it. That's going to pull up here. We're going to choose a category. You just click that to get your down arrow, and you can see that there's a lot of different things going on here, and you're just going to choose the one that applies best to you. You know, and I didn't really go through this or rehearse it, so I'm just kind of doing this as I go. And it's been a while since I created a page, so I'm kind of doing this as we go as well. But I guess I'll just choose product service. I think that's what I selected last time. Now, brand or product name here. And one of the things that you're going to want to do, folks, before you create the page is to do a little bit of research or a little bit of thinking or whatever, and decide what you want to call your page. Obviously, you would want because the title that you give your page is going to show up at the top of your page, by the header that everybody will see when they go to. So obviously, you're going to want to choose something that applies or is in a relationship with what you're doing, whatever kind of business or product it is, and the market that you want to appeal to. Okay. Well, and I've done this, and I've got a couple things here that I need to choose from. Okay, so I think I'm just going to go with, hold on, glasses again. Let's see. I think I'm going to choose gold acquisition advisors. Make sure that you get this right, you spell it right, because this is kind of a one-shot deal here, and if you louse it up, you're going to have to create a whole nother page. We don't want you to have to do that. So we've got here gold acquisition advisories, gold acquisition advisors. Okay, that's what the name of my page is going to be. By clicking getting started, you agree to the, okay, yeah, so we're going to do that, get started. And I guess my computer's running a little bit slow. Okay, now, a lot of this stuff here right now, folks, I recommend that you just skip, okay? Because, for the reason being that some of this you're going to want to play around with, you're going to want to jot some stuff down and tinker with it and fine-tune it. And this is all stuff that you can do once your page is up and online. And nobody will really know it's there yet. I'm going to show you how you keep that from happening. So you're going to want to, you know, spend a little bit of time coming up with a good about us, about you, about your business page, whatever your page is all about, a description, so to speak. So you're going to want to, you know, come up with something good for that. Your profile picture you can add later. Your add to favorites, you can do that later. Reach more people, you definitely want to do that later, because you don't want to invite people to a page that's not complete, that's blank, that you're just getting going with it, because they'll come to your page and they'll kind of, you know, just sort of look and say, huh, you know, what the heck is this? So, but what you will want to do here is you're going to want to choose your URL. Okay, facebook.com/, and again, I'm just going to go with, in fact, I want to use a capital on that, gold acquisition advisors. Use caps on the three words to kind of, so it doesn't blend in so well. I hope I've got acquisition spelled right. I think that I do. Okay, facebook.com gold acquisition advisors, which is the name of my page. Is gold acquisition advisors a real business, product, or brand? Yes, it is. So we're going to choose yes. Will Gold Acquisition Advisors be the authorized and official representation of this business, product, or brand on Facebook? We'll say yes, and we'll say this info. Okay, you are required to add a description of your page. Well, I didn't know that. Oh, I see. That's changed. Okay, so you can always edit this. So I'm just going to put in something here to satisfy it for now, so it will let the form go through, and then I can go back and change that. So we're going to save this info. Hopefully it works this time. Web address is not available. Okay, well then we're going to choose this other one that I had. Wealth. You know what? Gold is money. Let's try that. Gold is money. Save info. Web address is not available. How about wealth protection specialist? Wealth protection specialist. Let's try that. Web address is not available. Okay. Oh, there, that one went through. Okay, good. Not a big deal. Now, profile picture, you're going to want to skip that. You can do that later. You don't have to do it now. I recommend, like I said, just getting your page up, and then you can tinker around with it. So we're going to skip that. Add to favorites. Skip that. Reach more people. Skip that. When people like your page, you'll be able to reach them with posts in their news feeds. We're not going to promote this page yet, right? I mentioned that. You don't want to promote a page that's kind of blank, so we're going to skip that. Okay, and there's the page. It's that simple. And then I will do another tutorial. What's this here? Getting around everything. Oh, this is just that's just going to take you through how to set up the page. So I'll do another video for some of this stuff, like for example, what size pictures that you will need for your header, what size pictures you'll need for your profile. I'll come up with something for the about section just to kind of show you how I'm doing it, and we will we'll put this page together, and then once this is up and done, then I'll show you how to start doing post promoting, how to put up an ad that will get likes on your page, how to put up an ad that will get you to people to go to a lead capture page or back to this page or whatever. Okay, so, and this just kind of, like I said, no, we don't want to like that, definitely not. Skip that. The most important things, like I said, this is just a little tutorial. There it is again. Obviously it's blank, so that's it for now. I will, like I said, I will be doing more of this, and so we're going to show you everybody how to set up a page, and then how to use Facebook advertising, paid advertising, to draw traffic to your page, to any page, to promote a post, to get likes on your page, and stuff like that. Okay, so thanks everyone, and we will see you on the next video.